The Colossus Legal Forms CD is a CD that includes forms for your law office. These forms were designed originally when I wrote the books on Colossus, and they provide you the forms that you need to gain the information necessary in order to appropriately feed the Colossus system and generate the highest settlement values possible for your clients. These documents include things like a client intake form. They involve checklists of conditions, including mild traumatic brain injury, inner ear injuries, and other things that you might not normally pick up. But most importantly, there are a couple forms that are specific to Colossus that are very important. One is the Duties Under Duress form. Duties Under Duress is one of the top 5 value drivers in the Colossus system. And there are 4 different categories of things that count, including changes in work activities, domestic activities inside the house, household activities outside the house, and educational changes. Within these 4 subgroups, there are literally 100 different subcategories and different factors that will all feed value into the system. This form for Duties Under Duress on the content CD will provide you the specific questions that the Colossus system is looking for. So you can give this to your clients, they fill it out, and you supply that to the insurance company along with your demand letter and the medical records to gain maximum value. You also need to take the information from that Duties Under Duress form and move it into your demand letter so that you are making a specific claim for Duties Under Duress. Another form that's on this CD that's absolutely worth every penny of the disc alone is Loss of Enjoyment of Life. Loss of Enjoyment of Life has 6 different categories in the Colossus system: work, domestic, household, education, hobbies and social activities, and sports. But again, under these 6 categories are multiple other factors, and each one drives value in the Colossus system. Loss of enjoyment of life is, again, another one of the top 5 value drivers in Colossus, and as a result of that, you want to make sure that you have your client fill out that form and you supply it along with the demand letter, transferring all of the information from that form into the demand letter so that you can get maximum claim value. Another thing included on the Colossus Form CD is an article about how to create demand letters for the Colossus system. In addition, there are 2 demand formats that are included on the Form CD that you can use and alter for each one of your cases. These demand letter formats were designed specifically for the Colossus system and go in the order that the system asks for information. So by filling those forms in the demand letter format that I've provided, you can generate the exact information in the order that the insurance company adjuster needs to enter it into their system. By doing this, you will obtain larger settlement outcomes in your cases.